Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today I am showing a breakfast recipe. This is tomato bath. This is a very famous South Indian breakfast recipe. If you want to see how to prepare this, then keep on watching. First we will take a cooker and we will add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Let this get heated and we will add our whole spices. For the whole spices I have taken elaichi, clove and also cinnamon, and I am taking one green chili. Saute this for 1 minute so that the spices leaves all the spices to the oil. Next we will add around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to this mixture and around 1 big onion. I have roughly chopped the onion. Saute this for 1 to 2 minutes till the onion becomes transparent, not brown, but it will be transparent. Once our onions are translucent or transparent, we will add the tomatoes. I have taken around 2 big tomatoes and I have roughly chopped it. Saute the tomato with onions and let this cook for around 1 to 2 minutes till the onion becomes soft. For this I am adding little bit of salt and sugar so that our tomato cooks very fast and becomes soft. I'll close the lid and I'll cook this for 1 minute so that our tomato will become very soft and it is cooked nicely. After 1 minute you can see my tomato and onion mixture is soft enough. Now we will add our dry ingredients, that is haldi, 1/4 tablespoon, 1/4 tablespoon of jeera powder, half tablespoon of dhania powder and half tablespoon of chili powder. We will give it a good mix. Finally we will add little more salt to taste as we will be adding rice again. Give it a good mix and let this cook for 1 minute so that our dry ingredients will leave the aroma. I am adding around 1/4 cup of milk to this mixture. Let this come to the boil. Once it has come to the boil, we will add our rice. I have taken around 1 glass of rice and I have washed and soaked it for 10 minutes. I will be adding the rice to the mixture and I will fry it for 1 minute or so. Next I will be adding around 2 glasses of water. I have used the same glass which I have used to measure the rice. For 1 glass of rice, 2 glasses of water will be sufficient. Finally we will add the coriander and close the lid of the cooker. Let this cook for 10 minutes for 2 whistles. Now my tomato bath has cooked for 10 minutes with 2 whistles and it is ready. You can see all the spices mixture is nicely incorporated in our rice and it is very hot and delicious. I will be serving this with the raita, cucumber and onion raita. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and also share this video with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.